Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. With your prayers and support, Alhamdulillah, we have finally launched the free Quran education mobile apps for iOS and Android so that all the YouTube content will be available to you as a user-friendly mobile application in your pockets. This is a simple walkthrough video to make you familiar with the apps, inshallah. As you can see, this is the home screen showing all the video series lined up nicely. You can use the search bar as well to filter any video series. The side menu allows you to provide us with your valuable feedback. It also contains links to our Facebook and YouTube pages, and you can share this app as well. For the convenience of our brothers and sisters, inshallah, we have tried to organize the content in the Learn Arabic with Quran and Salah part. If you tap on the Learn Arabic with Quran card, you will see the content is organized in two separate parts. So the first part is the Quran and Salah part, where if you tap on Watch, you will see all the related videos aligned in an order, inshallah, so you can go through the entire series without any distraction. Same goes with the read part. You can go through any PDF you want, and same goes with the test part, where inshallah you will be able to test your knowledge in a very easy, interactive and fun way in the form of an MCQs test. Moving back to our home screen, you can search for any video that you like. Thank you so much, brothers and sisters, for going through this walkthrough video. Thank you so much for supporting us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.